Okay, now we will discuss the HTML attributes. So what's the purpose of using HTML attributes? What are the types of HTML attributes? We will know, and we will check what's the means. Now we will take a definition for the HTML attribute. So this is the HTML attribute. Each and every elements having HTML attributes. So HTML attributes are the, take a definition for this one. So attribute are the additional information given to the tag. Given to the tag. So in HTML elements, there is a tags is there actually. That is a one opening tag and closing tag, and the content is there. So we need to give the additional information to the tag actually. So when we give the tag, this is called as an HTML attribute. This attribute having always attributes are always in key and value pair actually. Key and value pair. Value pair. Suppose you are taking as some example. See, you can take this one as example. So this is a char set. This is a key and this is a value. This is one attribute, guys. So and further I'll check it a name. Name also name, then port number. This is also one attribute. It having show like a this is a key, this is a value. You can do like this. So just a minute, you can take an example for that one. How it can look means syntax tag name. This is a tag name, then attribute nothing but key equal to value, then close the tag name. Maybe opening tag or closing tag, your wish. This is the opening and closing tag. So both opening and closing tags having key and value. This is the attribute. You can take example for this. This is the attribute, guys. Attributes. Okay, these are attributes always giving static tag, means that is the opening tag. No need to give him closing tag actually. So ikkada isse it's not working. There is no use of here. Ikkada isse no use. So that's why manaku opening tag lone ivali eppudu chusina. So attributes we need to write and write. We need to write attribute is static tag. Static tag. So we need to write attributes in always in static tag, or else that's the opening tag. Opening tag, opening tag. You can do like this, opening tags. So no need to write in this way. Okay, see guys, suppose I am taking as an example for this one attribute. Okay. Yeah, so you can give an example for that. Just a minute. Okay. I'm removing this entire one. I'm taking as one h1. Okay, that's the heading tag, you know already. Here I'm taking as a go on. Okay guys, so while looking this one, it show like this. Okay. I'm removing this one, inspect. Yeah, good morning. So here I'm taking as a align equal to center. Okay? The entire text will become a center like this. So this is the, you can take example for this one. Just a minute, you can take one epic pin. Yeah. Okay guys, you can take this one. This is the attribute. Align center is the attribute. This attribute. So you can take an example for this one. So not only align, so many things is there actually. We will check it one by one, don't worry. So if you want to align entire text, we use the align attribute. So say if you want to center, or else you can hand, this is a center, it comes under center. So if you want, by default each and every text comes under right side, sorry, left side. So by default, if you want right side means you can display like this. You can do one thing, you can take a right here. Right, see, the entire text will come completely right side like this. So this is the example for attribute. Okay guys, we will check it one by one. Majorly focus on this one. This is a very important for the, as per the interview perspective. Okay, so after that we need to discuss it with image. So image tag we will discuss one by one, that is the image tag. So how to embed the image into our web page, you know. So while looking the image, so you know the attributes one. Displaying just in our web page. Okay, so here in HTML there is a one tag called, that is the img, nothing but image tag. This is a image tag. This is only unpaid tag actually. There is a self closing tag. There is no opening, the only opening tag is there. There's no closing tag is not there. Self closing tag is there. So here there is just some two attributes is there here in the part of this one. There is a two attributes. By looking this one, see, img, one is the source, another one is the alt. Source is the path. Here you need to pass the path of that image. See, img, one is the source, another one is the alt. This is a closer, self closing. Okay, in the place of source, here you need to pass the path, image path. So image path, it will accept the two types of path. One is the absolute path, then relative path. So what is meant by absolute path, sir? Then what is meant by relative path? So absolute path nothing but, if you want to take image from the browser, if you want to take the image from the browser, that is called as a, means by using copy image address, by taking that one, this is called as a absolute path. మనం ఒక ఇమేజ్ ని బ్రౌజర్ లో ఉండేదాన్ని మనం ఏమైనా డిస్ప్లే చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం అనుకోండి మన వెబ్సైట్ లో, దట్ ఈస్ ఆ పాత్, ఆ ఇమేజ్ పాత్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ పాత్ వీ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అబ్సల్యూట్ పాత్, మీన్స్ బ్రౌజర్ ఇమేజ్. వీ నీడ్ టు టేక్ browser image. So browser image. So while come to relative path na, this is the downloaded, already downloaded images ఉంటాయి నీ సిస్టమ్ లో, దాన్ని ఏమన్నా నువ్వు డిస్ప్లే చేయాలనుకుంటే బ్రౌజర్ లో, యూ కెన్ డూ, దట్ ఈస్ ద రిలేటివ్ పాత్. ఆ పాత్ ఇవ్వాలి ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్లేస్ లో, ఎస్ఆర్సి ప్లేస్ లో. నథింగ్ బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ సోర్స్. ఎస్ఆర్సి నథింగ్ బట్ source. Okay, so here we need to pass one thing called, that is a downloaded image path, browser image path. You can do like this. Okay, so after that, in the place of, these are all two things are attributes, guys. So one image having two attributes. Okay, this is one attribute, this is one attribute, this is a key, and here this is a value. Here you need to pass the value as a path. So alt is a key, nothing but alt, nothing but alternate. If in case image is not found, means the word will display. Here you need to pass any content in the text format. This value you need to pass in some message like that. Some message actually you need to do like this message. Okay, we will directly go into practically. See guys. Okay, here I'm taking. Okay, image. I'm taking already image. Okay, you can do one thing. So directly I'm taking as a from browser. Directly you can take any images from the browser. Just it takes time, guys. Okay, here we have LAN connection. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, here you can search it here any car image. For example, I need to display one car image. Yeah. Oh, a minute, it takes some time. Okay, I think network issue there. Just something. Okay, guys, see. Just click on that images. Okay. So first we are doing absolute path. So I need to display this my image means not image. Actually, this is a browser image, na. So I need to display this car in my image, my website. So you can do one thing. Just right click, then copy image address, na. Just copy image address. No need to copy this URL. It's not working. Copy that image address, paste it here in the place of src. Okay? You need to paste that one in src, guys. Okay, that is a where is that output? See, I mean, yeah, this is our see, guys. Actually, by default image width more. You need to search the height and width like this. Just you need to search set the height and width. So set just you can give here in the place of just give here height. Height is the 300. You need to pass the numbering 300. Then you can pass width is the 300 like this. Okay, this is a 300 height and width. You can do like this also. Yeah. So here how many attributes we are passing? One is the source attribute, alternate attribute, then second one height, third one height, then width, height and width. Okay, so then what's the purpose of using image alternates? Okay, in the place in the path there is some errors is occurred like this. See, there is no, I'm not giving any proper image means. So what the image is displaying in the place of this one, you can mention in the place of alternate like this. Okay, you can take car image. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే మనకి సేమ్ యూఆర్ఎల్లో ఏమైనా మిస్టేక్స్ ఏమన్నా ఉంటాయి మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏం ఇమేజ్ ఉంది అని యూజర్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడానికి మనకి జస్ట్ ఓహో హియర్ కార్ ఇమేజ్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఐ థింక్ సమ్ ఇష్యూస్ ఇస్ దేర్ సో దట్స్ వై ఇమేజ్ డిస్ప్లే అవుతలేదు అని మనకి అర్థమవుతుంది. సో దట్స్ వై ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ యూ కెన్ పాస్ ఎనీ మెసేజ్ రిగార్డింగ్ టు దట్ యూఆర్ఎల్. ఏం డిస్ప్లే చేయాలనుకుంటున్నావో ఆ థింగ్స్ అనేది మనం ఇక్కడ పాస్ చేస్తాం. దట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ అనేది ఇస్తాం లైక్ దిస్. ఓకేనా గాయ్స్? కెన్ గివ్ ఆల్టర్నేట్, యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్ కార్ ఇమేజ్. సపోజ్ సర్వర్ ఇంకా బ్రౌజర్ రన్ కాకుండాను మనకి ఇదే డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది కార్ ఇమేజ్. సపోజ్ సీ గైస్, ఐఎమ్ రిమూవింగ్ దిస్ వన్ ల్యాన్, just I'm removing that LAN. Okay, see, I'm removing LAN. Just refresh this browser. Okay, this is already loaded now, so that's why I think open this one in some other way. I think I removed the LAN, then why it's connected? Take some time, just a minute. Oh, LAN is not removed. Just okay, now remove the LAN. Just run it now. Yeah, now it's disconnected. Now refresh this page. So one thing, lights are off, then turn on the lights warmer. Oh, it may be page is already loaded, so that's why. Sometimes is there any network issue from in our laptop, no? In the so that time image will not loaded. And that time image can display అవుతుంది ఇలాగా కార్ ఇమేజ్ అని. సో ఆ టైంలో చూపిద్దాం, బట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ ప్రాబ్లం. Okay, done. See, this is the thing we can do. Okay, so here you can write the attributes. What are all the attributes images will contain? So one is the source attribute, alternate attribute, then height. Here you need to pass, one is the numbering values like 300px, 300px lo, one is the pixels lo pass cheyochu like this, or else you can pass in directly numbering లో కావాల్సిన నువ్వు పాస్ చేయొచ్చు, యువర్ విష్. That is a width for the, you can pass width also. So there are 4 attributes comes under image. So this is the about relative. Actually this is the absolute part because we are taking his image from the browser, na? So that's why. So do one thing, after that you need to install that, you need to download that image from the browser. I need to download this image from the browser. Just right click, save as from the browser, where yeah you can take as a downloads here. Desktop is not there. Okay, in the place of desktop we are doing entire code is present inside that front end, na? You can do like this. Okay, inside that you can paste it, means change that. Okay, car image, you can save this one. Okay, the image will be downloaded here. So this directly comes under here, our working folder like this. See, car image ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తుంది actually. So front end folder లో మనం సేవ్ ఇక్కడే సేవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Further you can display that one. See, this image also, where is that guys? Yeah, see, I'm taking one more image, just image in the path of src. You can do like this, just a dot slash, means it show the folder name like this. See, same folder అయితే ఇలాగ చూపిస్తుంది. Then you can display that one. What's the problem? Okay, you can display, say refresh, entire thing will display. You can set the height and width here guys. Height is the 500. You can pass in pixels also like this, not a wish. So width I'm taking as a 500. See guys, you can do like this. So this is a absolute path. This actually this is the relative path, this is absolute path. Yeah, you can take example for absolute path. Absolute path image, then this is the relative path image. Relative path, you can do like this. This is nothing but downloaded image, downloaded image. So then this is the browser image. You can do like this. Browser image, guys. You want to set this like this is about the images. Okay, done.